The DOD CIO, Honorable John Sherman, released a new manual last week for managing the defense cyber workforce. This new guidance replaces the old 8570 manual and prescribes foundational knowledge for the defense cyber workforce. This is Katy Craig in San Diego, California. The DCWF is a framework for managing cybersecurity training, experience, knowledge, and certifications. It uses broad categories for the cyber workforce, ranging from cyberspace, intelligence, cybersecurity, and cyberspace enablers like leadership, program management, training and awareness, and legal and contracts have a space in DoD cyber workforce frameworks too. The new 8140.03 manual breaks down the framework by job title into critical knowledge, skills, abilities, and tasks that a qualified practitioner or policymaker would be expected to have. The manual is available now on the DoD CIO's website and includes tools for navigating the framework for yourself and your teams. If you serve in the DoD or support it, you're going to want to familiarize yourself with the site and with this new guidance. This is Katy Craig. Stay safe out there.
Search for and subscribe to It's 505 wherever you listen to your favorite podcasts.